shooter. And then I've never been so relieved to see armed officers, and it was just like a horrifying.
I beg and I demand that every single person in power who has the ability to change the fear that kids feel going back to school, that they do something. Because I want everybody to know, I'm supposed to be going back to school in less than a week. I'm not ready. I don't think anybody here is ready.
Controlling us has turned our country into a war zone. You cannot. We do good, righteous actions. Luke Fourier. For politicians to take money from the NRA, to lie to us and tell them that they love us as children and that they care about us, and they lie through their teeth, and they tell us that they want to see change too, that they want us to be safe. They care about our safety. They don't care about us.
Children, especially teenagers, are relentless. They don't give up. And I am interested to see who has the longer stamina between them or the politicians, because I can guarantee you, if the politicians try and stick it out, they're going to retire.
I hope this is a movement nationwide, and I hope that brings America to be a better country like other countries who don't think guns are the greatest thing in the world and who are not interested in maintaining that kind of culture.